So hi guys, here at SwissQPrint Madrid again, and obviously one of the big names in the industry here we had to speak to was SwissQPrint, and I'm joined here with Jorge, who is actually the general manager in Spain. So welcome on English, Jorge.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Very well.
You good?
Enjoying the show?
How is it going for you?
Very well, very well.
Excellent.
It's a great place. The new area we are using this year, and it's a lot of people yesterday and today.
Yeah,
and
we can tell.
Hopefully tomorrow
really
we
a
will
lot of
have
interest. And what about the
more.
interest for your technologies and your machines? Because you have several things to show, and we've been around in Europe and we hear it all the time. So more and more, you're really visible, and you have some unique KPIs and some unique features on your machines.
Correct.
So gives a little insight on what they are or what you think your customers want. What do you think they come to SwissQPrint for?
Well, everybody knows that SwissQPrint is the key point is versatility, and among other things that we have, like reliability, we try to show all the different features and different applications we are able to make and to produce. Every year we add more things. Now we have neonings, but we still make relief, we still make droptics effect, it's 3D effects. We have spot colors. We still offer these things. We are adding other features like the neoning.
Yeah, so I hear a lot in the market as well when your name comes up, you know, that the PSPs, the print service providers, they're always looking, you know, to add on to their services they can provide to their customers and to create like more value for them. And that everything can come from, let's say, one type of machine. And as you said, we'll go and have a look at those special links. I was also told that like the speed of your machines, that's one of your key elements that you bring forward.
Yeah. Well, when we talk about versatility, we try to say that we can produce high speed, high quality products and also special effects, and we can make every job in the market, and that is what we try to offer.
Right.
We try to offer varnish, we try to offer applications with white, and so the customers that buy our machine are able to produce any job in the market.
Yes, on one machine, and
On
they
the
have
same
several
machine.
applications. They
Yes.
can, for example, things that are hot, we see it all around here. You're exhibiting it as well, like the 3D effects, like the painting effects. So
Yes.
tell me a bit more, how do you create this? Is this layering of material that you then cure, or how do you get it so quickly?
Okay, we have two ways of producing these 3D effects or this surface haptics effects. We can use a scanner 3D that captures the relief of a paint, of
The artwork,
art,
or yes,
an artwork, and then we use this information to print layer by layer, and having the head distance to the media always at the correct level. So that means that the carriage is increasing the distance, tens of millimeters time by time. So we are always at the correct distance. That's why we get sharp edges and very high quality. This is one way, and the other way is just with a graphic design program. We create a design, and then with our software we tell how many layers we need.
Right. I'm curious because the creative minds and the creative agencies, they tend to create more and more difficult and special effects. So basically, very short, the software that you use for this is that also something that you have yourself in-house, or do you partner up with a third-party vendor?
No,
for the ripping software or the software to analyze?
We don't use more software than the RIP on our printing driver, let's say. It's a program in real. And our software is able to, from a simple drawing, to put up to 9 layers at a time. So we can repeat these
over and over again.
Over and over again.
Yeah,
so we can define exactly how many how many layers, the curing power, and everything.
Okay, well, let's go a little bit into the subject that I was especially interested here to see here. Your new inks.
Yes.
So you have your neon effects.
Yeah.
Come on, bring us a bit up to speed on what's it all about, and it's about kind of a novelty for you guys. It's an exclusivity as well, huh?
We have exclusive neon ink. We have two colors. It's yellow and pink. And mixing these two colors, we can produce much more color gamut with neon inks. This ink is very sensible to the dark light, as you can see here, and we can create a very claim effects, and for the point of sale application, and they are very powerful
Yes,
to the
they're
eye.
very powerful, and I was
Yes.
told, well, I haven't seen it a lot well, I haven't seen it in other places because this type of formula or ink or neon inks, it's an exclusivity that you have.
It is, yes.
Is it a partnership with, like, you produce your own inks in your own factory? Or
Yes,
is it like a
our-
partnership you have?
We don't produce inks at SwissQPrint Switzerland, but we have a partner in South Africa that produces this neon ink.
Okay. And only for you, I guess.
It's
Yeah.
only produced. They produce it only for us.
Okay,
Yes.
so you're the only one, I think, at the moment in the market to be able to
Yes.
well, to present
to
these
offer
neon
this.
effects.
In big format printing. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Last question to you. What are your expectations for Spain? Because obviously you're general manager for Spain. How do you see the market obviously in your market space evolving? Is it like clearing up because a lot of people are having troubles, with the interest rates going up, the budgets are always tight. So give us your take on your personal perception of the market in Spain.
Okay. Well, the market is a little bit difficult, but when not, we have this situation all the time. I think it's more the feeling or the afraid that people are than the reality. We know because of our ink volume sales and talking to the customers that they are spending a lot of ink. It's a lot of job in the market, but we are still afraid. So somebody is telling us that something is going to happen, but it never happens for the moment.
Well, you have the opportunity here to say that people don't have to be scared and they have to be innovative and go forward.
Not on my opinion, because I can see our customers are working. They have a very good year still in 2023, and the expectation to the next year are also very good.
Okay, that's good to hear. Well, anyway,
Yes.
on this positive note, I say thank you to Jorge. And
Thank you for the interview.
thank you for the interview.